there we go. Now that these are tightened to the German tightening standard of Guten tight, we'll do this back one. Okay, the pipes are all mounted now, and I have got to say, the fitment is incredible. I have never, ever seen anything line up this perfectly. Like how square that is. And the pipes just fit perfect. They slid on so easy, and they fit just, it's impressive. It's really, really impressive how well they fit. There we go. Now that the pipes are all mounted, let's get this heat shield on here. And once again, everything lines up absolutely perfectly. Okay, before we start it up, we'll just wipe any of our fingerprints off with a little rubbing alcohol. That way nothing gets burned on there for good looking ugly. My bike being a 2022 model, there is no cat here. It's a straight through pipe. So I was a little bit concerned at how loud this was going to be, but I couldn't find any videos on the internet, so I just kind of figured I'd give it a try. And I have to say, wow, the sound is amazing. It's a little bit loud, but it's not too loud. It's a really, really nice kind of grumble and groan to it. So here's a listen.